Based on the values given, for which of the functions does it appear that the limit as x approaches 1 is 3? Whenever you're being asked if a limit approaches a value, you need to make sure that the left side and the right side are approaching the same value. So as we look at each of these, you have numbers going towards 1 from the left, so it's getting larger, and numbers going towards 1 from the right. As this happens, are they all headed towards the number 3? Well, let's take a look at h of x. H of x goes from 3-ish to 3-ish to 3-ish to 3, and this guy literally does the same exact thing but opposite. So since h of x appears to be heading towards 3 from the left and heading towards 3 from the right, we can assume that they're both heading towards 3, and you're going to get something that looks like this. So h of x is good. Now let's take a look at j of x. J of x, you're at -1, -1, -1, 3, 3, 3, 3. So graphically what that looks like is you have something way down here and then something way up here, and those do not meet at the same spot. So j of x is a no-go. K of x has you going to a number very close to 3, even closer, really, really, really close, and then undefined. However, on the other side, you have the same exact numbers, just going backwards. So what's probably happening here is you may have a hole, but it appears that that hole, or asymptote, exists at 3. And what's happening is these numbers are going to a number that's awfully close to 3, just never being 3, but that's okay. The limit does not have to be 3. The point of a limit is that it's heading towards that number. And since both the left side and the right side are headed towards the same number 3, we could say that k of x is also a function that has a limit as x approaches 1 of 3. So in this case, h of x is good, and k of x is good, and both of these are just fine.